Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to understand the difference between leads and deals in Bitrix24. If you've ever been confused about when to use leads versus deals in your CRM workflow, this tutorial will clear things up and help you manage your sales pipeline more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Bitrix24.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your Bitrix24 account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need them to access your CRM dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the left menu panel where you'll find various options for navigating through Bitrix24. Look for and click on CRM. This is your central hub for managing all customer relationships, sales activities, and pipeline processes. Clicking this will take you into the CRM workspace where you can access leads, deals, contacts, and more. Now, to properly understand the difference between leads and deals, you'll need to ensure your CRM is set up in the right mode. Look toward the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon, which represents settings. This icon is your gateway to customizing how your CRM operates and what features are available to you. Once you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several configuration options. From this menu, select CRM mode. This setting determines how your CRM handles contacts and sales processes, and it's crucial for enabling both leads and deals functionality. In the CRM mode options, you'll see different configurations available. Go ahead and select Classic CRM mode. This mode is essential because it enables the full spectrum of CRM features, including leads, deals, and contacts, allowing you to capture and convert prospects through a structured sales funnel. After selecting this option, click Save to apply the changes. Your CRM will now be configured to use both leads and deals. Now let's explore what leads actually are. At the upper left of the page, click on Leads. This section is where you'll find all unverified contacts that have been captured from various sources, like your website, social media platforms, or marketing campaigns. Leads represent raw interest, people who have shown some level of engagement but haven't been fully qualified yet. Think of leads as your first touch point with potential customers who need further evaluation before they're ready to enter your sales pipeline. Next, click on Deals at the upper left of the page. This is where the real sales action happens. Deals are qualified opportunities that have moved beyond the initial interest phase. When you're in the Deals section, you'll notice stages like Create Papers, Invoice, In Progress, and Final Invoice. These stages represent your actual sales process, tracking opportunities that are actively being worked toward closing and generating revenue. Here's the key distinction you need to understand. Leads capture unverified contacts and raw interest from people who might become customers. They're essentially prospects who need to be evaluated and qualified. Deals, on the other hand, are qualified opportunities that drive revenue. They represent real sales in motion with defined stages, values, and expected close dates. The workflow is simple. Use leads first to capture and qualify interest, then convert them to deals when they're viable and ready to enter your active sales pipeline. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.